We're going to show you how to create this gorgeous white fantasy granite look, and I'm going to do it in just a few short steps. I'm going to use my true applicator because these stones are made up of a lot of ribbons of striping, and I'm going to try to give you that kind of feeling there. And they got a little curve to them. You don't have to get too worried about, is it streaking, is it whatever, because that's what we're looking for. We're kind of wanting this inconsistent hit and miss feel to this. Wash is how we're going to soften and continue to make this look very real. The next thing I'm going to do is take my same true applicator, just going to turn it right up onto the applicator itself. Now that I have some down here, don't want to get too heavy with that. I'm just going to kind of go through here and streak and do the same thing in kind of some of these voids, some of these areas. And using our gorgeous gunmetal metallic. The next thing that we're going to do, one thing that this particular granite has in it is a little bit of a reflective quality, and always has just a little glitter in that stone. So I'm going to blur this out real quick.
Dry clean roller.
That's just going to soften it, and we're going to soften down the entire piece. And probably I'm going to do that with a brush. Just going to brush it on. That's going to really set it all in, and that's going to give us more of that swipey texture. So there you go. I hope you can see how gorgeous that looks.
You really softened that one.
I did, and I love it. I really love the softening. Now, you don't have to soften as much, but I love the soft because I think that's what it's all about.